Well, good day, everybody. I'm back in the garden. I just cannot get out of this place. I love this. I love this stuff, and I want to share with you a plant from the trial gardens at the University of Georgia, and this is sneezeweed or Helenium. Now, this one is kind of the size that we look at these days. This is probably called Mardi Gras, though I'm not sure. It's just been here for a long time. It generally is a little shorter than this. This is about 3 feet tall right now. But look at the flowers. And interestingly enough, while many of the sneezeweeds can be up to 4, 5, 6 feet tall, this is the one that people love. And there are even shorter ones than this. So stay tuned. And I hope that you will take a look at my app, Armitage's Great Garden Plants, and get more information. Have a grand time. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia.